were just shattered by Michio Kaku, claiming the interstellar object 3 Atlas may not be natural at all. Now, James Webb's data backs him up with evidence so strange it's rewriting what we thought we knew about comets. Is it a cosmic anomaly or a constructed object? Let's break down the truth. Kaku breaks the silence. 3 Atlas is not natural. Something will happen on July 1, 2025. Extraordinary things flew into our skies, but didn't the object itself begin that way? It dominated the news. The speaker's voice was calm but urgent. Michio Kaku is regarded as one of the best current theoretical physicists, and he stepped forward with a startling public warning, greater than. If this object gains energy as it gets close to the sun, it is not natural. We may be considering artificial intelligence on the scale of the universe. His words did more than make headlines. The scientific community was shaken. For decades, Kaku had walked the line between advanced theoretical physics and public communication with precision. He has penned best-selling books, given talks at the City College of New York, and appeared frequently in science documentaries. But he had never made a claim like this, not at this level of confidence and not so early in an object's detection. And yet there he was, not speculating, but insisting with tenacity. The object in question, soon designated 3 Atlas, was first identified by a survey telescope in Chile, a project intended to search for incoming threats, including asteroids. It didn't take long for astronomers to realize they weren't looking at something that originated in our solar system. The hyperbolic course it took proved it was interstellar, only the third such object ever observed, following Oumuamua in 2017 and to I. Borisov in 2019. However, 3 Atlas was unique. Early data hinted at unusual light curves, strange shifts in energy, and a non-standard composition. While the larger scientific community remained cautious, gathering facts, Kaku was already drawing connections between its trajectory, energy anomalies, and behavior signals. His suggestion was simple but profound, greater than. If the object begins emitting more energy than it receives, or alters speed or spin in ways sunlight or gravity cannot explain, then it could be artificial. He emphasized its upcoming perihelion, the closest approach to the Sun, set for October 29, 2025. That, he declared in a live interview, would be the turning point. This is a test. Nature is not deceptive, but it occasionally astonishes us. If this object behaves out of character, we'll know. Kaku's comments didn't just trend, they sparked global interest. Within weeks, he was quoted by newscasters. Think pieces filled science blogs. TikTok creators speculated about aliens. Professional astronomers, many who avoid speculative discussions, suddenly found themselves fielding questions about an artificial origin. Even more remarkable was the speed at which the object became a priority target. Telescopes from Hubble, JWST, and dozens of ground-based observatories reoriented to follow its progress. ESA scheduled deep field imaging sessions, a process that normally takes months, rearranged in hours. For many in the scientific world, Kaku had forced a conversation that scientists feared to say aloud. He did not assert the object was alien. He did not call it a ship. But he did say we should study it as more than just a cosmic rock, possibly a carrier from another star system. And so began one of the most intense campaigns of public and scientific observation in history. The world leaned in. The object approached. Kaku's words hovered in the background, framing everything to come: discovery. 3 Atlas, an unexpected guest, was first detected by the survey telescope on July 1, 2020. At first, it drew little attention. Then its orbital data arrived. It was following a hyperbolic path, not gravitationally bound to the Sun. This made it only the third confirmed interstellar object since Oumuamua 2017 and to I. Borisov 2019. But unlike those earlier visitors, 3 Atlas was strange from the start. It lacked the usual tail or coma, at least at distances where such features typically appear. It brightened irregularly. Some images showed outgassing, others did not. Its speed was unusually high. another sign it wasn't native to our solar system. Scientists began referring to it as an anomalous interstellar object, not quite a comet, not quite an asteroid. It sat in a gray area between known types. Its projected course would take it within 1 point for astronomical units of the Sun, close but not dangerously so, making it an ideal target for long-term observation by space and ground telescopes. The astronomical community understood the rarity. Only two interstellar objects had ever been seen before, and both had sparked intense curiosity. But 3 Atlas was different. It seemed to reveal more and hide less than its predecessors. As more data streamed in, one thing became clear: greater than. This was not just another visitor. It could be something that forces us to rethink interstellar travel, cosmic objects, and maybe intelligence itself. Greater than. This isn't just a rock from another star. One ESA researcher was quoted saying, "It's something else. We just don't know what yet." And with every passing day, the mystery deepened. By late July 2025, astronomers were already puzzled. What they expected to be a relatively straightforward interstellar comet was, refusing to follow the script. 3I Atlas, instead of gradually becoming more active as it neared the Sun, began displaying outgassing activity unusually early, far beyond the orbit of Mars, where solar heating should have had minimal effect. Typically, comets begin to release gas and dust as sunlight warms their icy nuclei,